Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this marquee highlights inside of Camtasia. As you see on my screen, we're going to create how you can make those lines inside of your text or anything, object, things like that. Alright, so without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so first we're going to go to annotations. Okay, so here is the text. We're gonna drag this one over here in the middle. Okay, so we have the text here. Hold on, you see this one, we have the text. And then next we're going to I'm gonna put this one here, and then next we're going to create a box. Okay, so let's find the box here. I think this one. Okay, we're gonna get this one and we're going to drag it over here. So you can resize this one, but for now I don't think you need to work on this. We can do this later after we create the marquee. Okay, so once you finished with that, and then we're going to get this triangle, because this triangle we're going to make a lot of angles to create a marquee. Okay, we're going to drag this triangle here in the middle, and as you see the yellow line, that is the snapping tool for you to guide if you're not in the center, things like that. That's why it's very important for you guys to enable the snapping tool. Okay, just check on the view, and if it is there's a check, well, you're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna close this text and the box, and we're gonna open that later. Okay, so to do that, here on the track 2, we're going to disable this track first, and then we're going to disable this shape. Okay, and then now we're just working on this triangle shape. Okay, Control C, and we just move this like this. So it's all up to you guys how much size that you want. You can narrow this one like this. Okay, I think that is fine. And then I'm going to make another one of these so I can put it on the top. So to do that, you gotta press Control C and Control V. And let's go back here. You see here on the rotation, we're gonna change this dimension to 180 and click enter. So here we have already copied this one and paste it, so I'm just gonna drag this one up there. So now as you see, they're all on the same position. So I'm going to group these two. Okay, so now there is on a group, and I want to make another one here and another one there. So to do that, you're gonna Control C again and Control V, and let's go back here to change this dimension. So let's make this an 90 degrees. Click enter, and as you see now, we have here, we have on the left and to the right, to the top and to the bottom. So I'm going to group this one again. Okay, put it in a group and make another copy. Okay, so I'm gonna Control C and Control V, and let's go back here and change the dimension to 45. Click enter. So now as you see, we're creating a marquee. Okay, I'm going to group this one again, and I'm gonna add another marquee for this. Okay, so I'm going to Control C again and Control V, and go back here and make it again to 45. Alright, so you will see this one. So I'm gonna, if you want to add more, then you can copy and paste again. So I think this is okay. Okay, so I'm going to group this one again. Okay, and if you want to add more, then you can add more. Okay, I want to add more, so I'm going to Control C again, Control V, go back here and change to 45. Alright, so we have another one here, so you can always move this one wherever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna move this like maybe like this. So okay, I can make this like that. You can make this as many as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on a group again, and now there you go. So once you finish with that and you're good with this, you can always change the color if you want. Here you can change the color to red, you can change the color to pink. Okay, so it's all up to you guys if you want to change all of this into color that you want to. All right, so make sure that you group all of this. so that when you move, it will move all together. We need to make this move. Okay, so to do that, before we do that, let's do this one first. So here on the box, you can make this a little bit bigger if you want to. Okay, you can just do like this, and you're going here, and here you can always resize this if you want to, and go back here, and you will see that that's for the text. But for the shape, you can make this you know, you can just, it all depends on you guys how big the box you want to. If you want this line to make a little bit thicker, then just scroll down here. Oh, get this one, and the outline easy. If you want the thickness, you can adjust it here, guys. Just do like this. So I'm just gonna do like that. Okay, now we're gonna make this move. Okay, then to do that, you're gonna make sure that you click this one, and you're going to animation. Okay, so in animation, we're going to use this custom animation. What you're gonna do is just to drag it here where you want. There you go, and make this a little bit from here, all right. So after that, we're going to make sure that you put this one here. When you see the red circle, you're going back here, and you're going to change the rotation. Okay, so let's make this, let's change this to 720. Okay, 720, and click enter. All right, so now you will see it's going to move because we already put this into 720. Okay, let's play with this. All right, you see it's moving like crazy, right? So what we're gonna do here is just click this one. Okay, click this one, and see the enabling is sync. So we're gonna put this into linear, and then let's see. Okay, let's play again. All right, there you go. So we're going to change this one again. Make sure that you put this marker into that red circle, and let's make this minus 720. Okay, all you have to do is just to put the minus sign here and click enter, and then let's see how it works. All right, see that, guys? All right, so now what we're gonna do next is here we're working on this box. Okay, here on the shape box, because we want this box to move around, what we're gonna do is you go to the visual effects. Here on visual effects, you're gonna find the media mate. Okay, so this media mate, you're going to drag this one here on the shape box. All right, so now you see it change, right? So once you drop it there, we're going to move this one over here and just play around. So now you see, guys, it's moving like that. If you want this to 2 colors, you can do in 2 colors. If you want it to do in 1 color, it's all up to you guys. You just play around with the colors. Okay, so let's make this a little bit longer. Okay, you can make this a little bit longer if you want to. Just drag it here, and the text. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this one here like that, and let's play around. All right, you see, guys, so you can adjust the color, you can adjust the size of this by clicking this one, and from here on the outline you will see, guys. Okay, here you can make the thickness a little bit, you know, it's all up to you guys. Just playing with this just like that. So it's all up to you guys. If you want to change the thickness, here is the adjustment. You can just adjust here. Alright, so now let's go to the text. In the text box, you can place whatever text you want. All you have to do is just to type what you want. Let's say, okay, important. Alright, and you can change the fonts if you want to. You can also change the color of your fonts. Here it is white, so you can make this red if you want to. You can make it blue. Okay, you can make it red. Let's go to the shape. I want the box a little bit, you know, like that. Okay, there you go. So here you can always change the color, right, guys? Like what I was saying, you see, guys, that You can change the color whatever you want. You just play around with this after you make this, and then once you play with this, then you will see how your marquee highlights place inside of the text, inside of the object, whatever you want it to place inside of that marquee. All right, so that's all for today, guys, and hope you learned something from this. Just play around and keep practicing on how you can do this. You can do this in one color, you can do this in two colors if you want to. You can adjust the thickness if you want here on the properties. Okay, just click the properties and click whatever you want it to adjust. All right, so that's all for today's, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe into this channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my supporters, thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.